Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card. Let's say that is a pre-made card because I have all the pieces ready. I When I received this stamp set, I like it so much that I just grab it and I spend the afternoon coloring the pieces. The several pieces for different stamp sets, and I have this one in my desk, just laying there, and I say, let me see how long I last making a card that most of the pieces are already done, and I just have to prepare the panel. As you see here, I prepare the panel with the snow embossing, it with a embossing folder, and I just gluing down two snow heels or snow banks, and now I'm going to start gluing the pieces. I glue everything flat except for the head of the snowman that I glue it with a double side foam adhesive. For the rest, it's very simple. I just glue the pieces down, and the card was mostly done, except for the letters that I'm going to show how I make the letters in the video uh, in a few minutes. Here I'm adding a little bit of Winkostella to the candy canes, and I also going to add a little bit to the nose of the snowman. Even if alcohol ink, I see that sometimes the Winkostella grab a little bit of color. Mostly is it red and orange. It's for that I first place the Winkostella on the red and then on the white. I also adding puffy paint in the half of the mouse. When you heat it up, it get puffy. I love this effect in house and in hats, in Christmas hats, and also in snows. Um, I adding to each dot a string glitter Mod Podge because I think they need a little bit something, but you can leave them plain but not plain, they look fine, but I love glitter. I wish I can add mod glitter to the cars. And adding this color black that is shiny in the eyes and in the nose of the bear. Some details that I add to the pieces that I color before. Here is how I made this letter. These letters cut, and you have to, they don't emboss, but they suppose that you put the embossing, how you call a plate, but I don't own right now an embossing plate. It's for that I just rather to color them with a finger dabber and distressing. After I finish gluing my letters, I'm going to add gel pen that is glitter. It's like a pure color. Uh, it's not silver, it's not gold. It's like I say, it's between those colors, it's pure. Um, Also, I'm going to add more details to the pieces. I'm going to add with memento marker some dots in the mouse and the bear, and I'm going to add with white gel pen some lines in some part of the pieces. I'm going to put my camera, oh, I think I did already, put my camera a little bit closer. Sorry that I'm in your face, but I'm trying to setting my camera in different positions, but I can't find a way to do it to not be that close, because I'm trying to use the other mat that is a glass mat, and I don't want the lights to reflect. Well, it's been crazy here. Every day I'm trying to move the stuff and find a better position to do the videos, but I'm still working on that. I'm also going to reverse the frame of this car. Normally, I cut my A2 cars a little bit smaller because I always like to add a frame, small frame, but I I think it give it to the car like a finish. But this time I'm going to put the frame or the part of the car in the back of the car panel, the car base, sorry, the car base. You see here I'm coloring this panel with the same color that I did the letters. And I gluing my car panel to my car base. They are already glued. Then I'm going to glue everything to the piece that is going to be my frame. I was thinking it's going to be a problem to open the car like that, but it was not. It was perfect. I like it. I think I'm going to do this more often, because when you open the car, the frame is still there and it framed the inside too, and I like that effect. Well, my car is pretty much done. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next car. Goodbye.